Right, so here's my Solomon's dragon. This is the front, that's the back. This is where I finished off in the last video. So I'm going to go all the way up to the end, flip it over, and with my fid, I'm going to poke it underneath this white piece here. Pull that cord almost all the way through. I find it easier doing it this way, kind of locks the cord in place. And now what I'm going to do is get my fid and poke it underneath this first piece here, like that. Pull it all the way through. And I'm going to poke the fid down through this side here like that. This is where the fun starts, because what I want to do is get the microcord and lay it around the white piece here. Now the first one is always the worst, I find, but I basically want to lay black around that white highlight cord there like that. Then what I'm going to do, poke the fid up through this side and carry on. Now you can see this piece here is a bit loose, don't worry about that, we'll sort that out in a minute. And now I'm going to lay the cord around this white piece here, down through that knuckle there. And I like to kind of mould the black cord around that white piece, make it look good. The key to this is take your time. I normally make a bracelet, bam bam bam, done it, right, on to the next one. But this, to make it look really good, you really need to take your time on this. I know some of these really good people, it takes them about 4 hours to do a Solomon's dragon bracelet. Another little tip, if you want to mould the cord around like that, I like to bend the bracelet down and mould the cord. Just keep going all the way down till you get to the other end, and I'll show you what to do. Right, so I've got all the way down to the end, as you can see, and what I'm going to do, flip the whole thing over like that, poke it down that side and start again. Just work your way down the other side of the bracelet. Right, I've got to the end, like that. All I'm going to do is melt this piece, snip and singe everything. So there you go, that is a stitched Solomon's dragon bracelet. It came out pretty good. Now there is one more video in the series, which I will do, and I shall leave that video up there. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.